Central Florida flooding remains a major problem in the wake of Hurricane Milton.
Yeah, especially in Volusia County. WESH 2's Pamela Combe went to Lake Helen, where floodwaters continue to rise in one neighborhood.
Milton flooded several homes in Volusia County, and Lake Helen was no different. Some had to evacuate after water got into their homes. Now they're waiting for water to recede, and it has, but on this road it's taking much longer than anticipated. Since Milton came through, the flooding on this road has gotten much worse. Now that the water is settled, the retention pond is flooded and it's pushing more water onto the roads and this piece of land right across from it.
It was past our driveway, now it's actually covering our complete driveway.
Jessica DePretta, who lives right on North High Street, partly blames the retention pond right behind the home.
The retention pond itself was supposed to be drained after Ian, wasn't, and never was. So it really never recovered. So when it flooded this time, it was more.
Lake Helen Mayor Vernon Burton says he and other city officials will be checking out the area Monday. He believes it's full of vegetation and was not properly maintained before he came into office, and adds removing the floodwaters from the roads isn't an option.
For here to pump water, the only thing you can pump water is from one side of the street to the other. So it doesn't put, we can't get a pump to a lake, and we can't pump it off the road if the lake and the water, if the road is underwater. So that's never been an option for us.
Now all DePretta can do is wait and be thankful they made it through the storm unharmed.
We're just happy, everyone's in one piece.
Reporting in Lake Helen, Pamela Combe, WESH 2 News.
And the mayor tells us that several roads were closed off after the storm in fear that floodwaters might have compromised them. They are now awaiting an engineer to say that they are actually safe to use again.